Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It's very important that we keep ourselves fit. How it is up to each one of us. That is mentally, meditations, yoga, some stretching, upper body, lower body fitness, some strengthening, so that we don't lose time when we come back. And when we come back to the field, we have to see that we really wholeheartedly enjoy what we have missed for the last 4 months. We are grateful to the people who are fighting for us in the medical field, in the police protections, all the administrative authorities who are doing the best to save ourselves, to safeguard us. We have to follow the norms required. What I am requesting at this moment is we have a inner power within us. We have to see that we are going to come back. We are going to fight this battle, coming back to the pitch, coming here the best of the games, whole of the world.
Hi everyone. Football is basically an outdoor game where it has to be played on the pitch. But since there is a lockdown, many players cannot come. So what I advise them now to do is to stay physically fit. Is those who have access to the gym, go to the gym, do cycling, treadmill, all other exercises. And those who doesn't have any access, just to go for a jogging in the backyard or stretching, those core exercises which will keep them fit.